Do you own a PS5 and are you tired of having to transfer games from the internal storage SSD out to an external USB drive? Well, if you are, watch this video. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install a second internal SSD and make your life a lot easier. Let's go. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Once we get the front cover off, you're going to see the SSD cover. And we'll use a #1 Phillips head screwdriver. And it's a little bit of a long screw, but once you get that out, pop off the cover and you'll see that there's another screw. So we'll go ahead and use the same size screwdriver and take that out. And there it is. It's got a little collar on there, so make sure you don't lose that. We're gonna pop that into the second spot right there. And this is going to stabilize the SSD. So next, we're going to slide it right into the slot, and it's going to go in about less than 1/4 of an inch, but you'll know when it's in. There it is. And it's going to pop up like that. All right, so that's good. And now we're going to put the screw right in there. It's going to sink right into that collar. And let's go ahead and tighten it up again, the same screwdriver. Let's go ahead and put the shield back on. All right, and we're going to put the long screw back in there ever so carefully. All right, there we go. And we're done with this part. Let's go ahead and pop this back on and we'll jump to the next part of the video. All right, we're halfway there. Now that we have the SSD physically inside the PlayStation, let's go ahead, hook it back up. We're gonna jump into the menus now so I can show you how to initialize the SSD, as well as move some games around so you can see how that looks like. Let's check it out. All right, once you boot up your PS5, go ahead and click on Format SSD, and that'll go by really quick. You'll see your speed there. Click OK. And we're going to change the install location of the PS5 games here in just a second. All right, so if you're anything like me, you'll be already running out of space. So go ahead and click up free up space. If not, just scroll to your settings. And here you'll see a list of the games already installed. And go ahead and choose select items to move. And I'm going to pick about 3 games. And we're looking at about a total of 171 gigabytes. So click OK, and I'm going to speed this up just a little bit, but it only took less than a minute to move almost 200 gigs. Pretty sweet. All right, now let's go to our settings, scroll down to storage, and here you're going to see the pre-installed console storage, the SSD that we just installed, and your extended USB storage. And I used a T7 for that. So install location, now we get to finally change where our PS5 games will be installed. All right, all set. At this point, you have an extra USB SSD just laying around. You can technically still use it. If you have any old PS4 games, you can load them up in there. And now you have 2 internal hard drives that are free for just your PS5 games. If you're still feeling intimidated or if you think I missed a step, just leave some comments. I'll help you out. All right. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button. Definitely subscribe. And if you want to check out some of my old videos, right over here.